Hello, and welcome to Baby Trend. I'm Mia.
And today, I'll be showing you how to use the Recline base and the Recline foot in the CV89, otherwise known as the CoverMe.
Ensure you have your car seat's manual handy in case you need to reference it at any point during this video.
The CoverMe offers 5 total base adjusting positions. Positions 1 through 3 are for rear facing, while positions 4 through 5 are for front facing. You'll start with locating the recline handle just below the tension adjuster. Lift the recline handle to release and rotate the car seat into your desired position. The CoverMe also offers a recline foot for additional recline while in rear-facing mode. First, you'll locate the blue release handle located under the car seat. To use the recline foot, simply press the blue release handle and flip the recline foot open. To store, simply press the blue release handle and flip the foot back in.
For more information on the CoverMe, please continue to more of our how-to and installation videos provided with you in mind.